Good morning. It is October 10th, 4 minutes before market opens, and I am bullish as we respected this fair value gap overnight pretty much, or like mid-morning, not mid-morning, like literally right off wake up. We respected this fair value gap. We're close to all-time highs, and we have session highs up here. We took session lows already, so what I am looking for is a bullish SMT and a sweep of pre-market lows. And yeah, about 3 minutes till market opens, so I'm just gonna leave my recording running. I'm gonna close my door. Let me pull my phone up. Get trade locker up. But yeah, what I would like to see is a sweep on either NASDAQ or ES, and then a SMT form, which it looks like we're going to form an SMT off market open. Get a sweep on NASDAQ. That's what it seems like we're going to do. We have this 15-minute fair value gap that I would like to see disrespected. Not bull. This bearish fair value gap that I would like to see disrespected. Shit, so annoying. Yeah, that's what I would like to see happen. I'd like to see this get disrespected. We sweep pre-market lows, maybe even tap into this fair value gap, and then buy power out of it. So I'm gonna be looking for longs today. But yeah, we form some other shit. We'll see. We have these equal session highs on ES, and we have London highs and then Asia highs right up there. 1 minute till market opens. And yeah, we'll wait and see. We have 10 a.m. prelim, consumer and sentiment and inflation expectation. So keep that in mind. "30 seconds till market opens. Not gonna be looking for a trade until like here to here. And as y'all probably saw yesterday, we would have taken full profits if I just left my shit at break even, posted a video or a short and a TikTok talking about it, giving my rundown of why I took the trade. So we inverse this, but gotta remember, oh shit. We inverse that fair value gap. That's what I wanted. Now let's see a SMT form on the 5 minute. Shit. we get a sweep these pre-market highs. This is pre-market high. This is pre-market high. This 830 is pre-market. So looks like we're getting a sweep of pre-market highs, or we could just be getting a break of structure from these highs. We did get a break right here and right here, so still bullish. Didn't get a sweep, but we could be sweeping liquidity here. But yeah, we just gonna wait and see, because 950 is where, like, around the time I want to be taking a trade. Holy fuck, brother. Every time I turn the fucking recording on, I just start yawning. I do not know why. But yeah. We are going higher. Sweeping these equal session highs. Most likely. Or we might just break straight above. So in ES, we're just going straight up. NASDAQ, it's kind of a struggle to go up. But yeah, we'll see. We got a sweep most likely. These equal session highs. That's what it seems like it's gonna do. So yeah, looks like we might get the sweep of pre-market highs. So that's that. I'm just gonna wait and see. It's cold as fuck, bro. My fucking toes are cold. So yeah, we got a sweep. We could just be going down. Tap into the fair value gap, fill more orders, then go up. So we'll wait and see. Did get a sweep of pre-market highs. If we're bullish, I'd like to see a bullish SMT form from like this low to this low. But what it looks like right now is it's not going to form that SMT. Took equal session highs. I'm bearish. I want to see this get inversed. Still haven't broken out of that. But on this, we did break out of it. So let me just get rid of this because this will fuck up my head. Let's see that sweep of pre-market highs. And then get this inversed. That'd be ideal. And I'm gonna be looking for a trade on ES. Oh, fucking balls, bro. Got all-time highs all the way up here. We got these previous day highs, so we could just be going to touch and seek that. But look, you're gonna wait for like 10 because we have news at that time. Going higher, we might just get a higher time frame manipulation. That sweep, we're taking both London and Asia highs on NASDAQ. All-time highs are up there, so we're getting pretty close to all-time highs. Does look like we're just bull running up, but still gotta wait and see. Fucking shit. So yeah, we are gonna form this bullish SMT, not SMT, fair value gap. I'm still waiting for either a bullish or bearish SMT, but doesn't look like we're gonna form one just yet. Let's actually check the 1 minute on both of these. Yeah, so we'll just wait and see what happens. Let's wait for the shit to kick in. Oh, shit balls. Bruh. Holy fuck. Alright, yeah, we just gonna wait and see what happens. I am bullish still, but we could just high time frame sweep both of those session highs on ES and NASDAQ. But yeah, we'll just wait and see, because yeah, here's an order block, here's that breaker structure. Breaker structure. We have a breaker block in the fair value gap, so yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens. We don't have to come touchdown into this, but that'd be ideal. That would be my ideal trade. Because we got two confluences right here. If we form a SMT off of this, that would be super ideal. Oh, fuck. I need to start drinking caffeine again, bro. See that manipulation happen. Do we have this fair value gap? Let me get rid of these. This pre-market is the break of structure. Let's see the manipulation happen. Alright, well, this looks like the manipulation. Because we got a 1 minute SMT. Bullish SMT right here. From this low to this low on each of them. Didn't even form it yet, actually, on NASDAQ. But yeah, we just gonna wait and see. Does look like we're gonna get that manipulation on the 1 minute, but we haven't even formed this candle yet. If it forms to the downside, then we do got a manipulation. If it does, this goes to the upside, then we do got manipulation. We got a 1 minute cross doji. 1 minute hammer, whatever the fuck. Yeah, manipulation. Manipulation. Okay. SMT. Now. That's weird. All-time highs are up here, but on Trading View, Trade Locker, we already took all-time highs. That is weird. That is weird. I'm gonna focus on ES because it's leading. But if we take all-time highs, I'm just not even gonna look for a trade. On Nasdaq we on TradingView we already, or Trade Locker, we already took all-time highs. So yeah, that's that. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Focus on the 5-minute. Let's see us touch into the fair value gap, and then buy power out of that fair value gap. That would be ideal. Let's see if we let's see that buy power or that sell power into it, and then the buy power out of it. That'd be ideal as fuck. Let me screen record now. This is almost 9:50. 30 seconds till 9:50. Can't forget we got 10 a.m. news, so could drastically affect the market. Still waiting for like a SMT to form, honestly. See us like tap into this. This breaker block. That'd be nice. Breaker block's like right there. Still got 10 minutes before that shit pops off. We might have just had a higher time frame sweep of the previous session highs and lows, or previous session highs, I mean. We are gonna probably gonna tap into that breaker block. Tapping into the breaker block on NASDAQ. See us push below it, forming a bullish SMT in the 1 minute. This low-key was not ideal. This would be ideal as fuck. If we come down, bang, be right here or some shit here. Predicting. So we're gonna buy power out of the breaker block on NASDAQ. Crazy buy power out. Still just gonna wait because we got 10 a.m. news. We did get some crazy buy power out though, so. Still got 10 a.m. news though. So we're just gonna wait and see. I'm not gonna rush into a trade. Could have gotten just a high time frame sweep. Now that I'm thinking about it. Just gonna push below these lows. Where were those session highs and lows? Right here. Just gonna mark them out like this. Shit. If we do sweep, we might just be going down to previous day lows. Oh, fuck. Let's go back to the 5 minute. 1 minute gets on my nerves a bit. We did inverse this fair value gap. Same with this. So, making me think that we're gonna be looking for shorts, not gonna lie. But we'll wait to see once the hour candle closes if we get a sweep. Because it looks like we're gonna just get a sweep on the NASDAQ, so I'm probably gonna change back to the NASDAQ. Previous day lows. Above there. Where's a place where we can reverse off of this fair value gap. So I'll take profits like right at the fair value gap if we're bearish. But to me, it looks like we're bearish now because we inverse the fair value gap on the 5 minute. Could just be getting a sweep on the hourly on NASDAQ. So, well, that's that. No SMT formed. Going to the downside. No bearish SMT. So, low key, I don't know if I'm going to take a trade. We'll wait and see though. Let's get a candle closure above here on the NASDAQ. Okay, yeah, we might get a candle closure above there. Tapping into that breaker block. Still just gonna wait because we got 10 a.m. news. So that could instantly just start fucking with the market. Especially the fact that the government is shut down. No good, no good, no good. So yeah, does look like we are still bullish, but we got 20 seconds till this candle closes. If we get a big drop down, and that's invalidating the sweep, or that's confirming the sweep, I mean. If not, then we're still bullish, because we're breaking above those highs. Alright, yeah, we broke above the highs. So I'm sticking to bullish, and I'm gonna stick to the S&P. Just because we have more wiggle room on the S&P than we do on the NASDAQ. So did we tap into that 5 minute? Probably not. No, we didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on that S&P. Just because, yeah. Underneath the leg of the second candle. TP at all-time highs. Alright, yeah, let's just wait and see. Not liking this price action. Not liking the price action either. So we're getting the touch into the breaker block. Let's see a fucking SMT form on this hoe. From this low. Let's see. Let's get it. 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 Let's get the SMT. Oops. See buy power out of that. Let's see a SM fucking T form. Where the fuck did that shit go? That shit go on my fucking. Oh, damn. That's fucked. It's nice and warm. Oops, wrong one. So yeah, we're getting buy power out of that breaker block and fair value gap, but still no SMT. Let's go on the lower time frame actually. Still no SMT. We did have an SMT right here, but it's on the lower time frame, so don't really mind. That's it. I'm more focused on the higher time frame shit. And yeah, kind of just choppy price action. I'm not really liking it, but yeah, we'll wait and see. If we get a touch back in and then more buy power out, I might enter. Just because we kind of confirmed it, rebalanced the fair value gap. Or even if we get a inverse right here, did get a 1 minute break of structure right there. That's into a 1 minute fair value gap, dropped, tapping into here. Filling these orders from the 5 minute fair value gap. So yeah, we'll just wait and see, because I'm low-key not feeling confident about this day. Alright, we're getting the touch back in. Now let's see buy power. Let's see buy power out. Let's get a candle closure above it. It's a high risk reward. It's like, so I'm risking 250. If we hit all-time highs, I'd be making like 1.6. See buy power out. Let's get a candle closure above it. Breaker block and the fair value gap are holding strong. Breaker block is holding strong on the Nasdaq. It's holding strong on the S&P. So I think I'm gonna enter, honestly, because it's holding strong on both indexes. But I'm just waiting for a bullish candle out. Still waiting for an SMT to form, but doesn't look like it's gonna form. Yeah, I should have entered, but what it is, what it is. Let's get that candle closure out of it, honestly. But yeah. Bro, like it put me all the way up here. That's so annoying. Literally put me like right here. Got my stop loss underneath the third or the first. Damn. Underneath here, and take profit up there. Wait, dog is low-key shitty risk reward. It's whatever. I don't like that. The fact that it does that. Fucking puts me in like OD late. No, not a sell. A buy order. Oh, dog, why is my fucking take profit all the way up there? Dog. That's not what I want. Confirm there. I was gonna say, dog, why is my shit all the way up there? So there. Alright, let's switch this to the SMP on the 5 minute. Let's bring that out. Alright, now time to write this down and shit. Wait, let me get my break-even point ready. Let's go on the 5 minute. Break-even right there. What the hell? Back to the 1 minute. So I got my what I really should have is my break even point probably like right here. But I have it right here. My break even point like right there. Or no, I have it here. Right at that high. That's where I have my break even. That's where I'll take partials. Alright, now it's time to write this down. 10, 8, 1 to, what's the risk reward? Dog. 1.45 RR, 250 risk. Breaker block plus fair value gap, TP all-time highs, stop loss under fair value gap. Alright, what I probably should have done is had my stop loss literally like right underneath there. Underneath the candle's body instead of the wick. But it is what it is at the end of the day. Just want to catch a 1-to-1 pretty much. Oops. But yeah. It's actually weird. Let me get this correct. Alrighty. Now time to wait and see what happens. So I'm in the trade. Yeah. Check the 5 minute. Oh, shit. I could actually get rid of this and this and that. So I'm in the trade. If we get a touchback into here and then more buy power out, I might take another one. Just because it was kind of entered pretty late. Entered like right here. But yeah, we're gonna wait and see. How did news go? It's good. This was bad. .6 and 4.7. 6, 7. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is right around here. Let me close this. Right around here, take partials. Let's get another touchback in. That would be nice. If we get another touchback in, I'm just gonna enter again. So this was being respected. This choppage on the 5 minute. OD candles in like the same vicinity. So low key just want to see like a break out of that vicinity either direction. If we're going down, then we're going down, then I get stopped out. I don't really care. We get a touch in and then we get pushed up, and probably gonna take another trade. Dude, we get a touch in barely, just barely getting a touch in. Come on, let's go in. Let's just either go up or go down at this point. See, buy power out. Seeking liquidity. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Don't edge me. Just either take me out or fucking go up in my direction. Literally getting edged at this point. I'm not fucking with that shit. I don't like being edged. Either take me out or fucking go back up. And alright, yeah, I got stopped out. Alright, I got stopped out at 10:17. Let's see how much I lost on that. 250, bro. Alright, let's see. See what happens. If we get a candle closure below that, we could just be seeking out these previous liquidities. Let's go on to NASDAQ. We form a SMT. No. Wait. No. No bearish SMT, no bullish SMT. Swear if I just got stopped out and then we just start reversing, I might croak and shit. See this 1 minute get inversed. Let me close this because I already got stopped out. Looks like this shit is getting respected. Looks like my trade idea was right, but what I should have done is probably had my stop loss under here. But we'll wait and see. We shall wait and see. Let's go on 15 minute. Back to the 5. If we get a candle closure below, then this is inversed. Once 10:30 hits, then I'm not getting into another trade. But low-key, it looks like we might have just started the reversal. Closed above the previous session highs and lows. I don't know. I think I'm probably not going to take another trade. I'm going to take this loss and just run with it. Low key. But we'll see what happens. We did inverse this 5 minute right here. Bouncing back and forth. Yeah. Still no fucking SMT. either side. Neither up nor down. Did respect the fair value gap. Breaker block. Didn't respect the breaker block on here. Let's go back on ES. Go down to the 1 minute on this. Yeah, I'm probably not going to take another trade. I'm just going to take the loss and run with it. I had a pretty good week this week. Let's look. This week, I'm up 783. This month, up around 92. Fine by that. As always, next week's another week. But yeah, kind of shitty day, kind of choppy price action around this time where I wanted to look for a trade from 1050 to 1010. Literally from 1050 to 1010, bro. Just choppy ass price action. So yeah. That's it. I'm done for today. Said I was done, so I'm sticking to my word. That was my trade for today. Lost $265. But it's all good. We'll bounce back from it. Next week is a new week. Let's look at next week's news. So bank holiday, Powell at 11:30. So trading in the morning. Then FOMC. Thursday high impact or Wednesday high impact news. Thursday high impact news. And then Friday. Yeah. So this week next week there's fuck ton of news. So yeah, I'm gonna stare at the market a bit and just see if I would have won if I had my stop loss down here. We'll see. But yeah, Loki, I'll just pause the video and yeah, if I see another trade for him, then I'll take it. But as of right now, Loki, I don't know. We are respecting this. We are respecting it. We are going up, but could just instantly plummet from this. I might, if I do get into another trade, I might de-risk and just do like 100. Just try and make the profits I made back, or I lost. If we inverse this one, then I'm definitely going to take this, honestly. Because then we're definitely showing bullish. So we did inverse that 1 minute. Low key, I might just hop in another trade. Just have it 100. Because I do think we're going to go and take all-time highs. Actually, no, I shouldn't. I said I wasn't going to, so I'm not. I am not. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Peace out. Stay tuned for tomorrow.